Hi guys, my name is Connie and today I'm going to be showing you what is anchoring in Wix and how you can use it too with a tutorial. So let me just show you what anchoring does and what it is because I think this will help explain it. So if I were to hit tournament, for example, it would direct me to the tournament section. And if I were to go under testimonials, then it'll take me to the testimonials. This is still a work in progress page that I'm working on. But basically what anchoring does is that there's a menu bar and the menu bar will take you to each section based on whatever you click, which is if you were to design it, it's called anchoring. So there would be, for example, a dash line right here that would tell you this is the start of the tournament section. Add menu, select the one that you like the most. I went with the first one, plus go to menu and anchor and add an anchor. So you'll get this dash or this invisible line. It is not visible to your site visitors. So what you want to do is drag this anchor. We're going to name it, go all the way down till we have tournaments. So that is going to be our anchor. So we're going to select the menu bar, manage menu, and click add link. It says add links and anchors to your menu. So you're going to add link, make sure you type in anchor. So it's the home page, this is the home page, and you want to anchor it to your tournaments. I fixed the spelling because it was spelled horrible. So you're going to link it to tournaments and click done. Oh, now name your new link tournament. Click done. I don't actually like it here because it's not in chronological order. So now it should link to your tournaments. If we were to preview it, we worked on the tournaments part. So if we were to click onto it, it should take us there. So that is the end of the tutorial on anchors and how to add that into your Wix site. I hope this was helpful. I think it's longer than I expected it to, but it's okay. I hope you found this helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I might figure something out on the way and let you guys know. And yeah, if you want to drop in whatever you guys are working on, I'd love to check it out. So thank you.